If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to SHIB video update today. And I'm looking at SHIB right now, and one can expect SHIB to move lower and lower. I was looking at SHIB maybe to come up to 605, and we did have a little bit of a pennant here. So this pennant back in the days was something like this, that you broke down and then you try to come up here, and then it was meant to go all the way to 600. But what I'm looking forward to is probably a very different structure that this was this was an old video that I made, but things change, situation changes up, and then you have to go based on the situation. So the new scenario is that you're making this left shoulder head here and the right shoulder, which is an inverted head shoulder, by the way. So I told you that we don't need to see SHIB coming all the way below 875. So if it does come down there, that's going to be like nearly 5.49% of risk, which I don't like to take, and I don't like to trade a 5% risk. I just keep risk to 2, maximum 3%. And from here, guys, at the technical target, if you do end up breaking out of that neckline, then we're looking for a break up here, backtest things, and then move up to 105. But still, there's resistance here, and that could be the last chance of the pump, and then go down. Now the question arises and poses that, is this possible that you come up here? Now, number one, when you break out and backtest things, it's possible to go up there. And reason number two is that if Bitcoin decides to go to 18,300, right now we're sitting at 17,000, then it could actually force SHIB to push all the way up to that price level. But be careful. From 14 December, you have to be very, very, very careful. Watch the Bitcoin update to know why 14 December, because it's a very quick update on that one in detail. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.